Hello everyone and welcome to Black Minute. This is your host Shabor and today I will talk to you about how to encrypt and back up your Spectre Security Coin wallet. So let's get started. In the previous video we've installed the Spectre Security Coin wallet. So now let's open it. Alright, so now that the wallet is open, I will show you how to encrypt it. First of all, you have to go into settings, press on encrypt wallet, and enter a passphrase. I will put a dummy passphrase just for the tutorial. Alright, this basically says remember your passphrase else you will lose all your coins, and I mean lose all your coins, so make sure you remember it. Alright, this message basically says that you need to close the wallet to finish encryption and to delete all the previous backups because they are basically useless now. Press OK. Now we can open up the wallet again. And as you can see here, the lock is white, which means it's locked. Now we can go in settings, unlock wallet. If you're not going to use the console, you can just type enter passphrase, press OK, and now you're unlocked. What's for your backups? Go in your settings, show auto backups, and since we've newly encrypted the wallet, let's delete everything here because they don't have the encryption on it. And to do a backup, all you simply need to do is copy this, so Control C, can come back in backups, Control V, and it's recommended to change its name, so let's do backup. I will call it tutorial, but if you can put the date of today, that would be great, so you remember when you took the backup. And that's pretty much how you make a backup. I recommend you to also put the backup file on a USB stick, so you have a backup somewhere else than your computer if your computer crashes. Always have a double of your backups. If you ever lose this file, all you have to do is copy this, bring it back here, and change its name to wallet.dat, and that's it. You recovered all your coins. So that's it for today's video. I hope it helped you. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.